Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content like this. A trauma treatment plan is a comprehensive, individually tailored approach developed by mental health professionals to guide the healing and recovering process of individuals who have experienced traumatic events. It is designed to address the full spectrum of reactions to trauma, including emotional, cognitive, physical, and behavioral responses, and aims to restore the individual's functioning and well-being. A comprehensive trauma treatment plan typically includes an initial assessment and diagnosis, establishment of safety and stability, psychoeducation, skills training, trauma processing, and reintegration. To use our free trauma treatment plan, follow these steps. Download our trauma treatment plan from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Comprehensive assessment. A thorough assessment is carried out to understand the nature and extent of the trauma and any potentially related disorders. Download and print the trauma treatment plan template. Download and print our printable trauma treatment plans. These are designed to provide a detailed structure for the recovery process. Fill in the template. Input the necessary details of the patient and their trauma into the template. This includes diagnosis, chief complaints, risk assessments, medication, substance abuse, long and short-term goals, barriers to treatment, and treatment modalities. Implement and review. Implement the treatment plan, reviewing and updating it regularly to reflect changes in the patient's status or goals. Here is a sample of our trauma treatment plan, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our trauma treatment plan, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.